Hello Mr. Anil, how are you?
Hey Mr. Singh, I'm good. How are you?
Sir, can you please tell me some Bania jokes?
Sure, Gulab. Everyone has a stereotype, but sometimes these stereotypes are actually very true. For example, one of my Sardar friends acts weird right around the time is 12 o'clock.
Who are you talking about? I'm sure you are not talking about me because I'm perfectly normal any time after 12.
Well, here goes. I know some Bania jokes, which are kind of funny. Hope you will enjoy them too.
Yes, I will.
A Bania asks a fruit vendor, how much for one banana? The vendor replies, 1 for 1 banana. Bania says, would you give it for 60 cents? T.
That is smart but cheap as well.
Bania is on his deathbed. He asks my wife, where are you? She says I'm here. Then he says, my children, where are you? They all say we are here, Papa. That's good, but can you tell me, why the hell is the fan on in the other room?
Well, he is trying to save energy but he is dying. Wow, that is also kind of stingy.
A Bania stops a cab driver and asks him, will you go to the Burna Park Sikh temple? The cabbie says, yes. Bania gives him an empty lunchbox and say, don't forget to bring langar for me. Again,
that is smart but still cheap. He didn't want to pay the fare, so he gave him the lunchbox. Wow. Bania are devilishly clever.
A Bania jumped off his apartment building. As he reached the 14th floor window, he saw his wife making roti. He shouted, don't cook roti for me. A rich Arab sheikh needs blood, so a Bania donates his blood to him. The rich Arab gives him a Mercedes-Benz, as a token of his appreciation. Few months later, the sheikh needs more blood and the Bania comes again to donate. This time around, the rich sheikh gives the Bania some sweets. Bania gets really mad and asks, why did you gift me sweets, this time? Sheikh replies, listen, now I have your blood running through my veins.
Interesting. Do you have more jokes on Banias?
My son once came to me and said, Dad, I need new glasses, my far sight is really bad. I took him outside and asked him, while pointing at the sun, what is that? He says, sun. I said, well, donkey, how far do you want to see?
You are a great dad, Mr. Anil. Hey, wait a minute, what's your last name?
Oh, my full name is Anil Shah Bania.
Our friendship is over.
Now, can I have my money back?